Hello guys, this is LG LED TV 55 inches model 55UR7550 PSC. So the problem guys is no picture but good backlight. Check the voltage here guys, VGH. So no voltage guys but good backlight. BGL check guys, no volt, no supply. So this is the DC supply. So try hang this cable guys and check again the voltage supply on or at DC section. So check guys the voltage, so no voltage. So put it back guys and check the other side. So this side guys, in right side, and check again guys, plug here, check the voltage guys, check the VGH. Okay, may have voltage -5 and 32 volts on DC. So the problem guys is here in right side section. Check the picture guys and see what happened guys. There is picture on half screen and no picture on other side. So this is section guys, gate signals. So here guys, this section guys, this pin, I will try to blocking method guys, tape method, and see what happened guys to the picture of on screen. Okay guys, the backlight is on, and check again the voltage. And guys, two cables are connected and the voltages on the circuit is good. So check the picture is okay guys. So the problem is solved. Thanks for watching guys.